Hey guys, it's me, Kella, and welcome back to Kella's Epic Videos. And today I'll be showing you guys how to do, how to make, a thumbnail for Roblox, like for one of your videos. Since I did say, I was gonna do, like, this tutorials, if this post I put on the screen gets to 10 likes, and it actually got to, like, 12 likes or something, so I'm gonna be doing this. So, yeah, let's get started. So you guys would have saw at the beginning it says like what apps you'll need, and you need Pixar, Gmail, and Roblox, of course. And yeah, and also this is for beginners, for as the title says. So yeah, so let's go on to Pixar now. Okay, guys. So basically, I'm just here, and I don't even know why I'm here. Wait. So basically, you're going to want to go to the search bar. It's like right over here. You just want to press it. And then you're going to want to like type in something that will work for your background. Like, say I'm going to be doing like a video of like, let's just say I'm going to be doing, I don't really know, maybe like a Bloxberg video. So you guys can take a picture of your Bloxberg house, but it'll just be easier to just like go to someone's Bloxberg house. I use this one, as you guys can see, but maybe we can use this one instead. Yeah, sure. Okay, so we're just going to download that, and we're going to be able to use it. Some download really fast, but this one is taking a while to download, so yeah. Okay, guys, so I started to use this house instead, since that one was taking way too long. So yeah, so after you get this house, ooh, this house actually looks really, really nice. You guys can crop it if you want, like you guys can crop it and stuff, but this house is already good. So yeah. So you're gonna want to go to effects, and then I suggest blur because like yeah, it just looks better to me. So yeah. That looks like yeah. I would prefer blur though. So you guys can, the best blurs are blur and smart blur. The rest of these are like kind of like, well, this could work actually, but I don't really want it that much. So I'm just going to pick blur. You're now going to press the check mark. Then, this is where, then you also need like another device for this, mostly like a laptop or something. I think I'll be putting that in the beginning as well. So, yeah. So you're going to want to go to Gmail. You're going to want to go to your Gmail. I'm just going to like show you guys the like, yeah. So you're going to want to click Gmail. Then you're going to want to go to Avatar. And then once you're in Avatar, you're going to want to just like, I suggest putting it in the animations on idle, because like if you put it in this animation, it'll be harder to like, you know, edit into a nicer thing. Unless you just want to put your avatar on the thumbnail, and it's fine. But if you guys like actually want to like make your arms move and stuff, then I suggest you just pick idle animation or something. And you're just gonna want to press save image as. And it has to say something like PNG something, or just like something like save. And then it's gonna start loading. PNG 7. Oh, then once it loads, you're gonna want to just like press that, and then you're gonna want to like say if like you want someone to be in your thumbnail as well. So like say if you want someone to be in your thumbnail, like one of your friends. So I'm just gonna like go to my friend's avatar, and then you're gonna want to just like, you don't have to do this, like if you just want yourself to be in the thumbnail. Actually, I'm just going to get myself in the thumbnail so it can be faster. It's just like a tutorial, not like a whole thumbnail stuff. So now, you're going to want to go back to Gmail, press compose, and then you're going to want to send it to yourself. You can just say random stuff in this, like you can just say like that. Then, you're going to want to press this attach files thing. And then you're going to want to attach the file thing you just added. So this is one I got. And also that's like a little sneak peek of like the things. Yeah, those are just a lot. So you're gonna want to like attach the one you just added. And then it'll be loaded, and then you're gonna want to press simply send. Then after that, you're gonna want to go to you're gonna want to go back onto like your thing, like your phone. So you're gonna want to go to add photo. Wait, sorry guys, I didn't mean to say that. You're gonna want to go to your Gmail. And then you're just gonna want to like press the little download button. So you're just gonna do that, and then as you guys can see, it's downloaded over here. So yeah. And then once it's downloaded, you're going to go back to PixArt. You'll then want to go to add photo, and then go to this one that you just downloaded. And it would actually, the background would actually be see-through, which is great because like, yeah, it just looks so good. So you're just gonna like put it somewhere to the side because you're gonna want to like add like a subtitle or something. So yeah. So also sorry if this video has like a lot of pauses. It's like some of like the like you know like the Gmail stuff, like some of the information is a little bit private, so I just need to like pause it a lot so you guys can see that. Cause like I don't want me getting hacked again like my last account. So yeah, like my Roblox account. So and then you guys can add a subtitle. Like you guys can add a subtitle. You guys know how to do that. You guys have to add a subtitle and just like pick a like just say hi or something. And then you're just gonna want to like press this. You can make it black and you can make the stroke white. And you can adjust the stroke, which doesn't really look good like that, but it's like good like this. But let's just make it say Bloxberg instead. Playing Bloxberg. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay, and this can be perfect. And then you guys can make it like bigger and stuff. And then you're going to want to press on your avatar again. I suggest you make like the opacity like 95. Actually, never mind. Don't do that. Okay. So then basically what you're going to do. Wait, actually, you're going to want to get rid of this. Sorry if I'm so confusing. So you're going to want to like actually get rid of this. And then you're going to want to press yes. And then you're going to save it. You're going to want to save it. Save picture to your device. Then you're just want to like press that arrow thing and just press save draft. And then you're going to want to like go to this again. And then you're going to want to go to cut out. Outline. And then you're just going to like cut out like some of like the arms. You guys, like you know like that thing I did before, you guys can just make your thumbnail like that. But if you guys want to be a little bit more extra like me, you guys can just like move their arms and stuff, like make their arms go up or down or sideways like that. Just want to like just take a little bit of their arms, not the full thing, just like a little bit, half of it or something like that much. And yeah. Oh, okay. Let's just press restore, and sometimes you just mess it up for some reason. And let's just go to save, and let's just go to save. You're gonna press this, save draft. Then you'll see you have these, and then you're gonna want to go back to this, and then you're gonna want to go to cut out again, and then you're gonna want to like just cut out like, oh yeah. And let's just preview. Yep. It's good. Okay, now let's just go back here, save, and I'm rushing because I have to go back to class really soon. So you're going to want to press, oh, I was like, oh my gosh, am I even recording this? Okay, so you're going to want to go save draft, and then once you're there, you're going to want to go back here and just like go to cut out again, and you just want to cut out the whole body without the arms you cut out. Try to like make sure like the perfect measure of like what arms you cut out. So yeah, like this, and yeah. Okay, let's just preview it. Yep, we definitely need to restore this a little bit more. I mean, erase this a little bit. Let's just press restore. Okay, and this is just my beginner way, so yeah. Now just go to save, and that's good. And now we're going to press save again. And then what you're going to want to do is save draft once again. And you're going to go to this. And then you're going to want to go to add photo. This. And you just want to add it and just like adjust it to be bigger if you want. And then you're going to want to do that. Oh, you can also add a shadow if you want. Shadows makes it always looks better. Shadows always makes it look better. So you want to go to add photo once again and just like add the arms you did. So, and you guys can like move it like this and stuff. Sometimes it looks like a little bit bad. So I'm just going to do that. This looks really bad, guys. I'm so sorry. But this is just for beginners, okay? Okay, this is just for beginners. Okay, now let's just go here. And now let's just like maybe like rotate it. Maybe they're gonna be like crossing their arms or something. Or maybe they're just gonna be doing this. And then yeah. And then you can just like press that and you're gonna go to brushes. Wait, where are they? You don't have to do this. You guys can just be like this, or you don't have to like be extra and like move those arms. You guys can just like add your avatar, like I said before. But then you're gonna want to like go to you guys can pick any one of these. Like you guys can pick this. There's so many, but I just really like this one. It's more like normal and stuff. So I just want to like go zigzag. Oh my gosh, I'm 2 minutes late. Okay, guys. Okay, so now you're just gonna want to like do zigzags. Like I mean, you can just do this, but it would just look better if you just do zigzags like this, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. So yeah. I mean, it doesn't really look that good when it's like on the actual face. So that's good. Yeah. So, yeah. Actually, I'm going to rename this to, oh, I can't. I was going to rename this to something like how to make this and stuff. But, never mind. Okay, well, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I really hoped it helped you guys. I'm really sorry if I'm really bad at explaining, but it's kind of hard to explain stuff. But once you guys, like, rewatch this video a couple of times, hopefully you guys will get what I mean. Bye, guys. Please subscribe and like. And also, thank you guys so much for 3K subs. I won't be doing a special for that because I only do specials for like every like 5K or something. So like, I did a special for 50K, 100K. Wait, maybe I didn't. I don't know. But I did a special for 1000K, and then I'm gonna do a special for 5K, then 10K, and then 15K. You know what I mean? So yeah. Bye guys. Thank you so much for 3K subscribers. I'm so happy. Bye.